viewers, you are connected to Comrade Abdulatif Salahuddin. Today, I want us to learn the right pronunciation of some words often mispronounced by most non-native speakers of English. You listen attentively and repeat after me. Now what we have here, repeat after me. Vegetable, vegetable. The second E here in the word is silent. Next, prophet, prophet. Of course, it is mispronounced as prophet, but the correct pronunciation is prophet. Next, cleanliness, cleanliness. It is often mispronounced as cleanliness. As a verb, you have clean, but immediately the suffix liness is added to it, it will change to cleanliness. Cleanliness. Next, preparation, preparation. But the verb form is prepare and the noun form is preparation. Next, capable, capable.